Hi everyone, I'm Tony Odisho and today I will be showing you step by step on how to remove weft extensions. I'm using the seam ripper right here, as you see, going behind the weft to remove the thread that was attached. I'm also pulling the weft away from the head so I can see where my thread is, so I don't cut the client's hair by accident. We're going to continue removing every single thread from the bead to release the weft. Also be cautious not to ruin the weft when you are doing this process. Once I remove the weft, now we are ready to remove the beads. As you see, I go from the top using the tool, putting the bead inside the two circles, just like so. To reopen every single bead, remove it and make it here we have, I'm holding it with my fingers, put it in the two grooves, open and release. And continue doing the same thing. Now do not use the tip of the pliers to remove the beads. The grooves are there for a reason, to make it into a circle again. If you use the tip of the pliers, there's a chance that you would ruin and bend the bead the other way, and it will be more difficult to remove. Once I remove all the beads, now I'm going to separate any hair that it was from shedding and comb it out or brush it out. I like to separate like this with my fingers. It's a gentler way to do it, and then remove the excess hair. Now the beads and the weft is removed. If I'm gonna do a reinstall, I will go ahead and use a clarifying shampoo to do the reinstallation. For more videos, please subscribe, share, and like our videos, and follow us on Instagram, Tony_Odisho.